G'day and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me on this quick trip into Awabakal country. I acknowledge the Awabakal people as the original custodians of the land that I was visiting. A couple of weeks ago I had to shoot up to Newcastle for this family thingy, so I took the opportunity to spend some time out and about in a little place called Wangi Wangi. I stayed in this campground overlooking Lake Macquarie, which I had to myself, which was really cool. I got there with maybe an hour of sunlight to spare, and it was really windy and there was this persistent drizzle. I brought my swag and my big tarp, so once I was set up I was good to go. But it was a pain in the ass finding some level ground and some suitable trees to set up a ridgeline, and then wrestling with the wind to get the tarp strung up. But I got there in the end. Had a quick bite to eat and an early night and fell asleep listening to the rain and slept like a log. Woke up around dawn and watched the world come to life before I packed up and headed into town to find some coffee. And along the way I came across these little guys. 3 baby musk lapwings. Very cute. I did find my coffee and then I headed down to the lake for a wander around the shoreline. It's really super flat country and the steely grey sky reflected on the lake gave it a really cool look. The drizzle just continued all morning, but I kind of like being out and about when it's like that. You generally have the place to yourself. Well, except for the non-human locals. How about this current? Nature is awesome. But my morning was quickly running out and I had to say cheery bye to the lake because I wanted to head to Wangi Point for a quick hike. It was super wet underfoot as you can see, but I love being out and about in a place I've never been before, and there's so much to see. The trees were amazing. Every step seemed to, take me past something new. It wasn't the longest hike I've ever done, maybe, 2 or 3 kilometres, but the variety of trees was awesome. And despite basically being the middle of winter, there were still some wildflowers here and there. and just as I was finishing the hike, I saw these guys. Okay, well, that's it for this quick little trip into Awabakal country. Thanks for tuning in, people, and thanks for staying until the end. And until next time, stay safe.